Imagine opening your back door tomorrow morning and being greeted by colorful songbirds instead of silence. You don't need a huge yard or expensive equipment to attract birds. By providing food, fresh water, safe shelter, and the right plants, almost any backyard can become a place birds visit every day. These simple changes not only bring more wildlife to your home, but they also create a healthier, more beautiful outdoor space you'll enjoy throughout the year. But before you buy your first bird feeder, let's discover which birds may already be visiting your backyard. Have you ever wondered how many beautiful birds visit your backyard when you're not watching? Every backyard is already part of nature's neighborhood. Cardinals, chickadees, finches, blue jays, doves, and wrens may already be stopping by in search of food, water, or shelter. Spend a few quiet mornings simply observing your yard before making any changes. Notice where birds land, where they feed, and which trees or shrubs they seem to prefer. The more you understand their natural habits, the easier it becomes to create a backyard they'll return to again and again. Now that you know who's already visiting, let's learn how to invite even more birds into your backyard. Have you ever wondered why some backyards are filled with colorful birds while others stay surprisingly quiet? The secret often starts with what's inside your bird feeder. Not all bird seed is created equal. While inexpensive seed mixes may seem like a bargain, many contain fillers that birds simply leave behind. Instead, choose foods that birds truly love, such as black oil sunflower seeds, Niger seed for finches, sweet for woodpeckers and chickadees, and peanuts for jays and nuthatches. Offering a variety of quality foods attracts more species and keeps them returning throughout the seasons. Clean feeders regularly and refill them consistently, because birds quickly learn which backyards provide a reliable source of food. Food may bring birds to your yard, but water is what encourages them to stay. Next, let's create a backyard oasis they'll visit every day. Imagine you've set out a bird feeder filled with premium seed, yet only a handful of birds ever visit. The missing ingredient may be something many gardeners overlook: a reliable source of fresh, clean water. For birds, water isn't just a luxury. It's essential for survival. While food attracts birds, fresh water often convinces them to stay. Birds need water every day for drinking, bathing, and keeping their feathers in excellent condition. Clean feathers help them fly efficiently, regulate body temperature, and protect themselves from harsh weather. A simple bird bath can quickly become one of the busiest places in your backyard. Place it where birds have a clear view of their surroundings so they can watch for predators while they drink or bathe. Nearby shrubs or small trees provide convenient escape routes, helping birds feel secure. Moving water is even more attractive than still water. A small fountain, dripper, or bubbling feature creates gentle sounds that birds can hear from surprisingly long distances. Many species are naturally drawn to the sound of flowing water because it signals freshness and safety. During hot summer months, refill your bird bath frequently to keep the water cool and clean. In colder climates, a heated bird bath can provide a vital source of water when natural sources freeze. With something as simple as fresh water, you'll often notice many more species visiting your backyard, and many of them will return day after day. Once birds discover dependable food and fresh water, they'll begin looking for something even more important: a safe place to rest, hide, and raise their families. Let's create a backyard where they truly feel at home. Have you ever noticed a bird grab a seed from your feeder, then disappear almost instantly? It isn't leaving your yard. It's looking for a place where it feels safe. Food may attract birds, but shelter is what convinces them to stay. In the wild, birds spend much of their day watching for predators such as hawks, cats, snakes, and other threats. That's why they naturally seek places where they can quickly disappear if danger appears. By creating safe shelter in your backyard, you're giving birds the confidence to visit more often and remain longer. Dense shrubs are one of the best places for birds to rest between feeding trips. Evergreens provide year-round protection from predators, wind, heavy rain, and extreme temperatures. Native shrubs and small ornamental trees also offer excellent cover while providing berries, insects, and nesting sites throughout the seasons. You don't need a large property to create a safe habitat. Even a small grouping of shrubs near a bird feeder or bird bath can dramatically increase bird activity. Leave a few natural areas in your landscape instead of trimming every branch or removing every fallen leaf. What may look untidy to us often becomes valuable habitat for wrens, sparrows, thrushes, and many other backyard birds. When birds know they can quickly fly to safety, they become noticeably more relaxed. You'll see them spending more time feeding, bathing, singing, and eventually raising their families in your yard. Now, your backyard provides food, fresh water, and safe shelter. The final piece is choosing the right plants that naturally provide nectar, berries, seeds, and insects throughout the year. Have you ever looked out your window one morning and discovered birds you've never seen before? It may seem like a mystery, but you're probably witnessing one of nature's greatest spectacles: bird migration. Every year, billions of birds travel incredible distances between their breeding grounds and their winter homes. While many people picture swallows and hawks flying south to tropical climates, migration is far more diverse than that. Some birds travel only short distances to find milder weather, while others cross continents and even oceans. One of the most remarkable travelers is the Arctic tern, which flies from the Arctic to Antarctica and back each year, completing a journey of more than 25,000 miles. Other birds, like albatrosses, spend months soaring above the open ocean, while many waterfowl and finches simply move to regions with milder winters, where food remains plentiful. Scientists have discovered that birds navigate these incredible journeys using an amazing combination of the sun, the stars, Earth's magnetic field, and familiar landmarks. Young birds often inherit their migration routes through instinct, while long-lived species like storks learn them by following experienced adults. Migration routes aren't always the shortest path. Birds often avoid mountain ranges, large bodies of water, or areas without food and safe resting places. Instead, they follow ancient flyways that provide reliable stopover habitats where they can rest and refuel before continuing their journey. This is why your backyard changes throughout the year. As different species move through your region, your feeders, bird baths, shrubs, and native plants can become an important stop along one of nature's oldest travel routes. By providing food, water, shelter, and the right habitat, your backyard becomes more than just another garden. It becomes a safe haven for birds traveling thousands of miles across the continent. Just a few simple changes can completely transform your backyard into a place where birds return every single day. By providing fresh food, clean water, safe shelter, and bird-friendly plants, you're doing much more than attracting wildlife. You're creating a healthy habitat that supports birds throughout the seasons. Every feeder you fill, every shrub you plant, and every bird bath you maintain becomes part of a sanctuary that benefits both nature and your family. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next gardening and backyard wildlife project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Lori Lynn DIY.